Now we take the problem on meter bridge. Suppose in this problem, in a meter bridge, the balance point is found to be 39.5 centimeter from A, when Y is 12.5 ohm. Determine X. So this is the meter bridge. In the left gap X and right gap Y resistors are connected. Then Y are connections between resistors made of thick copper strips. B part is determine the balance point if X and Y are interchanged, means X on right side and Y on left side. And C is what happens when cell and galvanometer are interchanged at null position. So for first part, we write from balance Wheatstone bridge principle, P upon Q is equal to R upon S. So P, that is X upon Y upon L1 upon 100 minus L1. जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स मीटर ब्रिज में है, इसमें ध्यान यही रखना है कि लेफ्ट गैप में जो रेजिस्टेंस है अपॉन राइट साइड में जो रेजिस्टेंस है इज इक्वल टू बैलेंसिंग लेंथ अपॉन 100 माइनस बैलेंसिंग लेंथ. सो X विल बी इक्वल टू L1 Y upon 100 minus L1. Now we can write the value. So 39.5 into 12.5 upon 100 minus 39.5. So we get again 39.5 into 12.5 divided by 60.5. After the calculations, it will come out 8.2 ohm. As far as the second part of A is concerned, again we repeat that Y connections are made of thick copper strips that are between the resistors. So that is because thick copper strips have low resistance. Thick means area of cross section is large, and copper again it is a good conductor of electricity. Now we come to the second part. Determine the balancing point if X and Y are interchanged. Now in this situation, what happens, that interchange means now on left gap it will be Y and right gap it will be X. So again we apply left gap resistance Y, right gap resistance X. Suppose it is L1 100 minus L1. Now Y is equal to, we know 12.5, and X we have calculated 8.2. So L1 100 minus L1. When we simplify this one, then we get the value of L1 is equal to 60.5 centimeter. So it means it is something like if X and Y are interchanged, then balancing length are also interchanged.